Welcome to another edition of the Legal River Podcast, a weekly look at the laws and legal issues facing small to medium-sized businesses.
Hello, I'm Clifford Hyra. I'm a managing member of Hyra IP, an intellectual property law office specializing in obtaining patents, trademarks, and copyrights. I'm going to teach you a little bit about trademarks, basically what they are and why you should care. Now, I'm going to start by giving you a few examples of trademarks that you're probably familiar with. Here's one, the Apple logo, that's a very famous trademark. Nike, the word Nike, another very famous trademark. The Nike swoosh, and here is the Gillette slogan, the best a man can get. All of these are trademarks. A trademark is anything that you use to distinguish your products and services from others. You want to form an association in your customer's mind between your business and the product or the service that you're providing. You want to create a good experience for your customers, and you want them to associate that good experience with you, to know who gave them that good experience and where they can go to get some more, right? So people know that branding is essential. It's essential to marketing, and it's essential to building your business and growing your business. But what many people do not realize is that trademarks are governed by a strict set of laws, and that legal considerations are essential when you're selecting a name, any kind of product name, logo, slogan, anything that you're using with your products. The law protects the right of the first business to use a given trademark within a certain geographical area to exclude any other businesses in a similar industry from using that mark or anything that would be confusingly similar. There's two reasons that the law offers this protection. The first one is consumer confusion. If two businesses are using the same trademark in a similar industries, that's going to be very confusing for the customers. They're not going to know which company is producing the products that they're buying. They're not going to know who to call to complain to return their product, to ask for service, technical support. And it's a situation that the law tries to avoid this confusion in the marketplace. The second reason is unfair competition. Let's take an example, the Apple logo, very famous, well known for the high quality, the service that's provided by the Apple computer company. So a new business that's coming out, manufacturing computers, of course, they would love to use the Apple logo because people are going to associate them with the quality of Apple. They may be confused and think that they are Apple, and so people that are looking for Apple computers may go to them. It's an instant source of customers, right? It's great for them, but it's not fair for Apple. And it's going to damage Apple's reputation because the quality and the service of this brand new business probably is not as good. So both of those things are policies that are served by the laws that protect exclusive trademark rights to the first person to begin using them. So you can see that there's a legal issue here. When you're picking your name or your logo, you can't just think about the creative considerations. You have to also consider, is this going to be infringing on anyone else's trademark rights? You should at least do some research to see if anybody else in a similar industry is already using a similar name or logo. You want to try to avoid those because if you do pick a name like that, that existing business can come after you to make you use a different name or even for monetary damages. But there's also an additional consideration, which is that recognizing that it's difficult to do a really thorough research of all the local businesses and what marks they're using, there's been created a federal trademark register. And that is a list, a nationwide list of active trademarks. Now, of course, you want to include this list in your research. It makes it much easier to find marks that may be conflicting with your own. But it also introduces the consideration of whether you want to place your own mark on this list. And putting your mark on the list has a number of advantages. It gives you nationwide rights to use the mark instead of just limited by geographic scope. That's very important. It makes it easier for other people to find your mark when they're picking their own name and to avoid any conflict with yourself. It allows you to use the registration symbol when you're putting your mark on your goods. You can use a little R with a circle around it. It's a little professional looking, and it makes it a lot easier for you to enforce your rights. So anybody who's involved in working with new businesses or new branding, new product lines or services, or any kind of new marketing campaign needs to have a basic understanding of the trademark laws. You should be at least doing a trademark search anytime you're coming up with a new logo or brand name, and you should really think about whether it may be beneficial to you, worth the cost, to file for federal trademark registration. It's not just a creative and interesting name and logo, although that's very important, but what's also important is avoiding expensive legal conflicts and ensuring that you're able to protect your brand name and avoid unfair competition. Thank you very much. This has been a discussion of trademarks, what they are, and why you should care about them. Again, I'm Cliff Hyra with Hyra IP in an intellectual property law office. You can find more information about my firm at hyraip.com. If you have any questions about this podcast or trademarks in general, you can contact me directly at the contact information on my website or podcasts@legalriver.com. Thank you.
Thanks for listening to this edition of the Legal River Podcast. If you have a business law question you would like to see answered in a podcast, please email us at podcast@legalriver.com. To reiterate, all views expressed in this presentation are intended only as a general discussion of the issues and should not be regarded as legal advice. For additional details or advice about a specific situation, please consult legal counsel directly.